Hello and welcome to Code with Joe. In this video I show you how to make a simple number guessing game in Python, which is a fun tutorial for beginners to practice Python. And the game works like this. So let me start the game here. So it says welcome to the number guessing game. So we have to enter our guess. This is a number between 1 and 100. So I'm going to just say 47. The actual number is smaller, 34, 23, 38, 48, smaller, 45, 43, and here we go. And once I guess the correct number, it tells me, okay, this is correct, you won and you needed 7 tries. Okay, and this is what we're going to build. Going here into my text editor. So all I have done here so far was I created a project folder, and inside my project folder I created a file. It's called guess.py, and the only thing that we need to do here is, let me move this down here, we need to import random, and this is a pre-built package that comes with Python, so we don't have to install anything. Everything works basically out of the box. Okay, so the first thing as I said, we import random. This is the therefore we can create random numbers, and then we're going to create our game function, and in here is all of our code for the game. So the first thing we're going to do is we create a random number, and for this we're going to use the random package that we just imported, and with random rand int we can set a number. So the first number that we enter is between the numbers we want to have. So we can also say 15 between 76, so this will create a random number between 15 and 75, but we want to have a random number between 1 and 100. Okay, 100. And whoop, I'm sorry about this. Then we're going to say how many tries, because we want to know how many tries we need until we guess the correct number. We set this to 1, and we set this to done variable to false, and while not done, so this means as long as we don't guess the correct number, we keep running our game loop. So we're going to say while not done, guess. So this is our guess. Enter a guess, and I have to convert this guess, our input, into an integer, so we can later on compare it to the random number that is created up here. Okay, so the next thing is if guess equals the number, our random number, then we're going to say print I'm going to use here an f string, and I'm going to say this is correct, you won, and you needed, and in our curly braces we put in here tries, and we say you needed tries. Okay, just like this. And here we also need to end our game loop, and we set done to true. Okay, so but if we do not guess the correct number, we're going to say else. So first of all, we are going to add 1 to our tries with plus equals 1. Then we're going to say if guess is larger than the random number, we're going to say print the actual number is smaller. Please try again. So I have here a typo, it's guess with 2s. Okay, so if our guess is larger than the random number that was created, we print the actual number is smaller. Or else we're going to say print the actual number is larger. Try again, buddy. Okay, and the last thing that we need to do is we need to initialize our game, and we do this just like this. And now let's see if this works. And we can run our file with python guess.py. Enter a guess. I'm going to go with 56. The actual number is smaller. 34, 12, 15, 19, 23, 34. It is smaller than 34. I'm going with 31, 29, and here we go. And we only needed 9 tries. Okay, this is how it works. So we can do some styling here. Enter a guess. We're going to make it look a little bit nicer. Enter a guess, and I'm going to correct these errors. This is correct. You won. You needed 7 tries. Or yes, how many tries? And the last thing that we can do is we can add here a function. Let's say if we have too many tries, so we don't want to go for 9 tries as I needed. We want to finish the game earlier, so we can say if tries is larger than for example 5, so we only want to give the player 5 chances until he guesses the correct number. And we're going to print out here sorry, these were too many tries. Start over. Okay, I'm going to finish this. Let's see if this works. And so I'm going to see what happens if I need more than 5 tries. It's smaller. I'm going to add this again, 67 and 23, and here we go. The actual number is smaller. Please try again. Sorry, this was too many tries. Please, okay, start over. Enter again. So the only thing that I do not like here is that the game doesn't end. Therefore, we need to add here a break. Let's try this again. Going to clean my screen here. Enter a guess, 45, 56, 34, 23, and 34. And here we go. The actual number is larger. Try again, buddy. Sorry, this was too many tries, and start over. And the game ends. Okay, this is how simple it is to create a random number game in Python. I hope you did enjoy the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I hope I see you guys in the next one. Bye.